Today I'm going to show you how to feed a family of 4 for $100 for an entire week. Now, I'm only making dinners, so I'm gonna show you how to make dinners, not the breakfast and lunch part. But each meal is about $20, so we're gonna start with the first meal, which is going to be chicken spaghetti special. So let me just explain something. So for the purposes of this video, Tyson, I purchased a ton of chicken, okay?
How long has that been cooking for? Can we try the chicken? It smells good. What'd you do to it?
But please listen. You're going to purchase chicken. I get a combination of breast and thighs because I like dark and white meat together because it makes it more tender, okay?
And we're open-minded.
All I'm saying is, I like to make chicken in the crock pot because it's easy protein, it cooks overnight, I'm a working mom, it's the easiest option. So this is our protein, okay? We're gonna use this in every single meal for the week. So here's the thing, we're gonna get real today. I'm usually very brand agnostic, okay? I don't want anybody to get their feelings hurt because I am willing to endorse anything. However, these are things that I use for my family.
We especially like Harley Davidson.
We like anything that'll pay us. I like angel hair because I like the texture, but also it takes 2 seconds to cook because it's so thin. This is my favorite pasta sauce. It's called Mom's.
It's good.
I'm not kidding. It's so good, right?
It's good, yeah.
Then I added 2 special ingredients that make it feel a little bit more fancy. Fresh Parmesan, and then I got fresh basil, and I just will chop this up and put it on the top.
That's really huge basil. It smells great.
So good.
But do you break your pasta or do you leave it nice and long?
I would break it for this pot. Oh, another thing, go get olive oil. You gotta put olive oil in the pot. Okay, so you're gonna add sea salt and olive oil to your pot of water. Let's switch jobs.
I knew you was gonna have trouble with that.
Just switch. That's enough cheese. That's enough cheese. Okay, so I think this might be done. That's how fast it cooks. The sauce that comes in a jar is always gonna have a lot of sodium. So you can make your own, but again, these meals are made for me and my family, and I would rather have everybody have more sodium so that we can quickly get it to the table. All right, where's that olive oil? Okay, so I'm gonna add some olive oil. Then I'm gonna add all this cheese because I like to cheese it up. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over to my crock pot and I'm gonna get some chicken, okay? You're gonna take your sauce. No, I got it. I don't have it.
Okay, I'm coming.
Okay, so then you're gonna pour it into your hot chicken. Your chicken will be hot. Your pasta is hot. Thank you. Okay, move please. You're too close to me.
I'm trying to fit in the frame.
Here, you put pasta in the plates.
All right,
I'm gonna put a little more. And this is, you know why? Because I just got home from work and it's already 7 o'clock and people need to take baths. Another thing, I don't like heating up the sauce because I don't want to use another pot. I use 1 pot for this and 1 crock pot and I have no dishes to do.
So you don't even heat up the sauce?
No.
That's pretty cool.
I mean, you can. Other people are gonna be like, that's gross, but
yes,
I would rather not do dishes. Oh. On to the next day.